Well, good morning, magandang umaga. Today is a special day. The first tile will be put in our CR. The first time that something is being built up instead of demolished or prepared. Our first tile, the first of many, will be put against the wall. Criero Del is putting the tile glue and the cement on the back of the tile, and this is number 1. The most important one, this one has to be absolutely straight, horizontal and vertical, because all the other tiles will be referred to this one. I can't wait to see the result. I was so happy that I brought some tools with me when I went to the Philippines. This one to make a hole in a tile. And tiling is done so much different than in the West. Here the wall is not so important, they don't invest much in putting a perfectly straight wall in. They do it the other way around, they use more or less tile glue or cement behind the tile to get a nice flat surface. So in my opinion it costs a lot more cement and a lot more tile glue. On the other hand, it takes more time too. But the hour rate in the Philippines is not what it is in the West, so this works. I don't want to blow my own horn, but the black accent you see here was actually my idea. It was 12 centimeters, so we would end up with a whole tile at the ceiling and not with pieces that you had to cut. Hi! Magandang hapon! Salamat! In our area, as in most areas in the Philippines, they don't collect the trash weekly or every other week. People burn their own trash. Doesn't matter, plastic, wood, leaves, anything that you cannot use is being burned, and Yeah, it's not all good for the environment, but it's common practice in the Philippines. You see it everywhere, people burning their trash. At our neighbor it looks very bad, but it's not plastic, it's the old leaves from our tree that are being burned, so it's luckily natural material.